What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have Cobra content. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so as you've seen before in a previous video, we did ceramic coating on my 03 Cobra Terminator. Today we have new taillights for it and we're going to be installing these. I've had these for a while, just like everything else I have stashed away, and just haven't had time to get to it. Alright guys, so again, if you're brand new, this is my 2003 Cobra Terminator. I've had this car now for about 3 years, and we just got back from our rally with it a couple months ago. We took it to Tail of the Dragon with us. I have a little bit of footage of it driving up there. I'll see if I can find some and put it in this video. The hood's not jacked up. I just had it on the trickle. I haven't put the hood down all the way. But today, we're going to be doing some Cobra content. So, as I mentioned before, this is the rally group I run. That's called Street Kings Rally. So if you guys are ever looking for a rally to join in on, I highly recommend you guys checking us out. We're on Facebook. Instagram, we're not so busy on. But, again, Facebook, our group's pretty big. We're just shy of 500 members. And we have Colorado coming up next year, so we're looking forward to that one for sure. It's filthy. I will not lie. I have not really washed this thing since we got back from Tennessee, and it needs a serious bath. But it still has all the rally vinyl livery on it and all that good stuff. And yeah. So today, though, the main focus is going to be replacing these taillights. If you guys are familiar with Cobra stuff, probably most of you can guess what we have. And if you're not, then you'll see and you'll understand. And these are actually like pretty hard to get. Some people hate them, other people love them, but I think they look great on this color specifically. So I had snagged a pair and I've just had them stashed away. Alright, so this is my son Paxton. You guys have seen him in a couple of videos. He wants to showcase the new taillights, so have at it, Pax. Let's see what we got. Focus. What are they? They're upside down.
Oh, sorry. I'm a little new at this. Sorry, guys.
What kind are they? What are they?
They are amber, right? Amber lights.
We got ambers. So these are from the 99 to 01 Cobras. I found a gentleman that had a set of these, and I snagged them from him. Like I said, it's been probably about a year and a half now. I've just been sitting on these. They're brand new. Unfortunately, he did not have the harnesses, so I'm going to have to go ahead and find a set of the harnesses. If you guys are new on these require a different set of harnesses because there's extra bulbs and whatnot that make them different from the ones that come in the 03, 04 Cobras. So I got to snag the harnesses so I can have all the lights functional, but I wanted to at least go ahead and install these today because like I said, I think they're going to look really cool, and I figured it'd be some cool Cobra content for you guys. Let's try to not take 30 seconds this time to unwrap it. Alright, put them down. Okay, perfect, right there. Just like that. So as you guys can see, why they're called ambers is these have the amber lenses in them in the bottom. The factory ones are just straight red. So nothing crazy. Sorry guys, it's bright out here. But yeah, so there's your factory one. One before that is your amber. So all this piece right here will be your amber. So it'll add a really nice contrast on this sonic blue. Alright guys, so this is them. Let's get the tools out. Let's get started on this. Okay, so if you're new on doing these, you have these two bolts right here. You have those. You have that one. And then you have one more straight back over in there. You can see it. If it'll focus. So it's about 4 bolts. Yeah, this guy right here. So all you gotta do is just unscrew this. on going. Eventually we'll get there. Alright. Do that. And then it should just pop out right there. Alright. So again, you got all these little gold bolts. So you got 2 right there. You got 1 right there. So yeah, you can see that last bolt straight back in there. Right there. So those are your ones you got to pull out. There's about 4 of them. So nothing too crazy. Knock on wood, should be a fairly easy job. I hope. Alright guys, so we're about to get into this. So you're going to want an extended socket, and the size you're going to need is a 12. So we got this little guy right here. Nothing too crazy. Like I said, we're going to get cranking on this, get these things pulled out, and fingers crossed, this should be a fairly simple job. I don't think it's going to be too bad. So let's get it. Alright guys, so we got the first tail light out. Sorry I couldn't film a lot, it was real dark in there. And then you just unclip your bulbs, and then you have 2 little screws that fit into the holes that hold them in place as well. So you'll have to pop those out, but that's all fairly simple. But yeah, got one out. Let's get started on the next one. So just real quick, I can at least show you on one of these. So that's your bolt right here, and literally these come off real easy. A couple turns, you just get in here, and you can literally hand the screw, or unscrew with your hand. Like so. And then what I was saying is you'll just pop your harnesses, your bulbs out right here. Real easy, nothing too crazy. Just turn them. Do that. And then you have these 2 little plugs right here. And you just wiggle these out. So, there we go. Here's your 2 little plugs. And then your 4 bulbs. Fairly simple. Came out pretty easy. Alright, follow me, cameraman. There we go, guys. There's a comparison. Factory right here. Amber's over here. Let's get them put in. Alright guys, we got them in. Luckily just in time because it's about to get dark here in like 30 minutes. That wasn't a bad job at all. Like I said, just make sure you're hitting those 4 bolts. A couple of them are tucked in there in the back corner, like you're going to have to pull some of your inner lining of your trunk out just to be able to reach them, but it wasn't bad. Like I said, it was a 12 millimeter long socket. Reached right in there, a couple turns, and it was easy to break loose and tighten. So not bad. But very happy with them. Aren't the biggest fans of them. They think they're overpriced, and some people sell these things for crazy money. Like you'll get on eBay and you'll see people selling these things for like $2,000. It's not worth that much to me. I was able to get a pretty good deal on these from a gentleman off of eBay, and was totally worth it, and I was happy with it. So again, it's just if you can find the right price for them, and obviously they're like kind of just a little extra thing to have on Terminators if you want them. Well, you can get a good deal on a set. You'll be happy with them for sure. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a fun little install to do. It was some Cobra content, which I know some people had asked for. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We're on the road to 1,000 subs. When we reach that goal, we're going to be doing giveaways. A giveaway with some Oakleys and a bunch of other stuff that I'm going to be throwing out there for some subscribers and all that stuff. So again, if you're new here, please subscribe. Help me get to that 1,000 so we can do some fun giveaways for you guys to kind of give back. Also, if you enjoyed the video, give it a like. And also, if you have any other friends or family that are into cars, share the video link with them. I'm tired. but share the link to the channel with them, and let's just keep going to the top here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay hungry, feed on success. See you guys next time. Bye. All right, you guys come stand right here.